Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've been trying to create different content for you guys, so whether it's makeup, skincare, vlogs, hair, and I just want to kind of mix it up here on my channel, and I hope you guys are enjoying that and like the different types of videos. My hair is air drying, so this is why it looks pretty poofy, and right now I'm battling with some pimples on my face. I have like 2 or 3 here on my forehead. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing my makeup using some new products and some products that I already have, and this is all affordable makeup, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. I already have my eyebrows done. For my eyebrows, I use the Morphe Brow Definer Pencil, and mine is in the shade Chocolate Mousse. I'm gonna be going in with the E.l.f. Poreless Primer, and this is just what it looks like. And gonna grab my fingers and apply this all over my face. I could actually kind of compare it to my Shiseido Synchro Skin primer. They both blur out your skin and your pores, making it look like you have a nice smooth skin. Oh, by the way, I did set my eyebrows with the Essence Lash and Brow gel mascara, and this one is really good from the drugstore. Foundation, I'm gonna be using 2, and the reason for this is because the foundation that I want to use is a shade too light for me, and it was my mistake. I got mine in neutral, but I'm more of a warm tone. So I'm gonna go underneath with a light 70W, which is from ColourPop. Honestly, I could use this on its own, but I kind of like the mixture of foundation stick and this one. So I'm gonna go in first with ColourPop No Filter Stick, and this one is in light 70W. I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation, and I have mine in light 55N, and I'm gonna use my Araceli Bella Sponge, 1 pump of this. Whoa, actually that's a lot. I should have done like half a pump. So I'm just gonna dab it on the back of my hand, and I took off that, and I just am left with this. So I'm just gonna start applying this to my face. Carve out my eyebrows with this foundation, and I usually would do this with concealer, but since I don't want to waste product, I'm just going to use it to carve off my eyebrows. I'm just gonna go in with my E.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this one I've been loving and using like almost every single time I do my makeup, and I have mine in light peach, and I love the applicator in this because it's so big. And I'm going to apply some to my eyelids. To set the concealer in place, I'm gonna go in with my favorite. This is the Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder in Fair Light. I'm just going to blend out my under eyes first. And then apply it. And whatever's left over, bring it onto my eyelids. I'm gonna add just a little bit more powder right here because I'm gonna be using eyeshadow and I don't know if it is going to fall. So I have this e.l.f. Mint Melt eyeshadow palette, and this one is called Chocolate Mint. And I'm just opening this up right now. I've been wanting to use this for a while now. I've been having it for a little bit, like a month or so. I got it a little bit before spring and I thought this would be so cute for spring. So this is what the shades look like. I've never tried e.l.f. eyeshadows, so I don't know if they're good or if they're not good. So I'll give first impressions on this. I'm gonna take this light brown here. And it does have a little kick up. I'm just gonna go into my crease. And I'm gonna bring it into the outer corner of my eyelid. And I'm gonna go in again with that same eyeshadow and start intensifying. Okay, so it does blend really nicely. This is pretty nice. So I would say the quality is definitely there. I believe this little eyeshadow palette is like $6 or $8. Use this eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna pick up the mint eyeshadow. And I'm really trying to pick up as much as possible. And let's see how it applies. I applied pretty nice. I barely have any fallout. I say probably like 3 little sprinkles on my cheek, but nothing too bad. I'm going back with this shade and just blend. I meant brush, not shade. Let's see if I can apply it with my finger, if it's gonna look different. Okay, yeah. It applies way better with your finger. As you can see, it got super intense. Yeah, I definitely like how it applied with my finger instead of with my brush. It just melts into the skin. Grab this little tiny brush and then apply this eyeshadow here to the inner corners. So I'm going to finish up this eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished up this eye and I really love how this eyeshadow look turned out. I highly recommend this palette. This palette is really good, especially for the price. I think it did an amazing job. The brown eyeshadow that I used was really easy to blend out. I didn't have any problems with it. And I especially really love this eyeshadow right here. And that's what I use in my inner corners. And I feel like it reflects the light a lot and it looks super gorgeous. Can definitely see myself using this again. And I can't wait to create more looks with this eyeshadow palette. It's really cute and I feel like you could even go deeper if you would use this brown here. It'll definitely like elevate your look. I can try to use it. Okay, I'll just grab some with this little brush and I'm just gonna create kind of like a little wing. Okay, whoa, pigment. Look at that, it's super pigmented. Definitely have more fallout with this eyeshadow. I'm gonna take this brush to like wipe off the powder that I had under here. Thank God I put it on because as you guys saw, that brown did fall, but it probably must have been because I did pack on that brown pretty well on the brush. For bronzer, I'm just gonna use this little Wet n Wild contouring palette. This one is in Dulce de Leche. And as you guys can see, this little section is broken. It's gone. I don't know what happened to it. So I'm just gonna bronze up my face. Oh wow, I forgot how nice this bronzer is. Haven't used it in a very long time. But it's really nice. It's pigmented and it blends super easy. To add some brightness to my under eyes, I'm going to be using this one right here. Oh wow, look at that. Totally brighten up my under eyes. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. blush palette and this one is in light. I think I'm going to use the lightest one, which is this one here. I'm just going to add a little bit of this powder just to kind of like clean up here. I'm going to be using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Setting Mist. For highlight, I'm going to be using my Essence Pure Nude highlighter, and this one is in Be My Light. I'm going to avoid my pimples because we do not want those to shine. Just gonna curl them before applying mascara. For mascara, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Volumizing Mascara, and this one is in black on black. Apply some false lashes. The ones that I'm going to be wearing today are these. These are by Dollar Lash Club, and these are in the style Ivy. These are one of my favorite styles. I think they're really easy and really like girly and cute. They look really nice. I really like how these look on me personally. I do have a discount code with them, and I'll leave a link if you guys want to check them out. And for the lipstick, I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Bare It All. I'm really impressed with this little e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. I think it's really great, especially for the price. Like, I'm blown away. It's pretty well. It's pretty good. So everything that I use, I really like. And it's a lot of makeup that I haven't used in a while, and I'm so happy that I did this video so I can use these products again because it reminded me how amazing they are. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you guys totally should follow me, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video and if you guys love e.l.f. products. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.